Well, hello everyone. Good evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is in your area. Um, I hope you enjoy this video. This is going to be a video of me with one of my first songs that I created. Probably the only one which will have my vocals on it. And thank you for joining. For a limited time, the link will be in. I'll post a link, and you'll be able to download the MP3.
I'm also going to include the lyrics, so enjoy.
Hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot.